Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the core service. Open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, then Voice Access. Toggle it on and grant microphone and accessibility permissions so the system can listen and control. Once done, make sure Google Assistant is active or Voice Match is set so you can wake the phone without touching it. This step matters because permissions let Android convert your speech to commands and interact with apps. So do it now, and confirm the permissions panel shows allowed. Next, you configure how commands behave. Open Voice Access settings and run the tutorial to learn core phrases because knowing exact commands reduces errors. Then customize shortcuts and app-specific controls. Assign simple words for frequent actions, and enable number mode for precise taps. Also choose an activation method, hot word, long press power, or on-screen button, depending on what you find quickest. Make these choices deliberately. They determine speed and reliability when you switch to hands-free operation. Now practice real tasks. Say open messages, scroll down, tap send, or dictate a reply. This builds muscle memory and highlights recognition quirks. If words are misheard, change the language, lower background noise, or tweak speech sensitivity in settings to improve accuracy. If commands stop working, restart voice access, toggle permissions, or reboot the phone. These quick fixes resolve most issues. Finally, keep your system updated. Updates often improve recognition and add features, so install Android and app updates when
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.